What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Behind me, the F10 M5, the Autobahn cruise missile. From the factory, a little lackluster. Even in competition spec, this car is not a competition, but we've made it sound a hell of a lot better than any competition spec F10 M5. This has the full exhaust setup, full 3 inches all the way with our long cross-section X-pipe to really give it that high-pitch exotic sound. In this video today, we're going to showcase all the sound characteristics, startup, revs, flybys, interior accelerations. We're going to put a GoPro on the rear bumper so you guys know exactly what is the ultimate exhaust setup for your F10 M5. With that, let's get to the sound. Folks, we're getting the F10 M5 warmed up here. This exhaust system with the valves closed is just as refined as you would expect from the Autobahn cruise missile. It's nice and refined and quiet in here. The big objective with this exhaust program is to increase the aggressive and more exotic sound tones of this engine. This S63 engine is not necessarily known for having a really good sound characteristics. They can be very loud, but not very musical. And so our objective with the long cross-section X-pipe and the full 3-inch configuration is to increase the drama and the depth and excitement of this platform. But obviously with some OEM downpipes, which is what this car is still running, it's nice and refined in here. You don't get any overbearing sound, especially when the valves are closed. Nice. You never know the car's modified. Open up the valves now. You definitely get a little bit more bass, some more excitement inside the car, which is nice. Fits the character very well. All right, folks, our first sound test. We've got some engine temperature. Here we go. I guess it's important to know this car is on winter tires, so they're a little gummy today in this 80-degree weather. This is basically an F10 M5 with 550 horsepower on Space Savers. Basically, is the traction level that we're having today. Yes. Really get a nice sound characteristic out back. Much more than the factory exhaust. Ooh, very nice. Very nice.
Let's go.
wheel today.
Do a little drift.
Little slide.
Little drift. Little drift. Tires howling in pain.